Hello guys, this is Monet.
And it's SJ.
From Real Beauty,
Real Food,
and Real Life, coming to you with an unboxing. Woo!
And a review.
Yes, and a review.
So what are we going to be reviewing?
Okay, bulb head. All right.
Let's see what it looks like.
Okie doke. We might need some scissors or something here to open the tape here.
Okay.
So we're gonna just put that there. The sides. Okay.
What do we got?
All right. Wow.
The heck? What is this?
All right. Hurricane Spin Scrubber. Okay.
Wait a minute. That ain't it.
All right. What's that? What is this?
I don't know. It ain't what I thought it was.
What's this product for?
Oh my.
Is it for your car?
Oh shit, it probably is.
I think this is for your car.
All right, well, we're just going to unbox it and show y'all.
All right. Comes with this nice little mesh bag here.
Okay, so I guess
I'm
that's
guessing this is what you put. Yeah, you put all the parts in there. Okay.
Dang on it.
All right. So, yeah, this is something that looks like it cleans your car.
Okay.
Okay. So, this is the handle, I'm sure, because it has a little clippy part right there.
Okay.
So, that's that part. This little part here looks like what the pieces connect to that you put either, the tops to here. Or maybe the extender.
Connect them then, I guess.
Yeah, let's try to connect it. Let's see. Oh, yep.
Hey, that was simple.
Hold on, let me pick that up. There we go. Is it on there? Oh.
I heard a click.
I know. I keep hearing it click too.
Is it still loose?
Yeah. Wait a minute. There's a piece right there in there.
Lift up. Oh, there you go. And push.
Push.
And then push back.
Does it push down there? Nope. Might have to read the instructions.
Shit.
It doesn't turn.
All right, well, we got to come back.
We can try the... Oh, yeah, we can't do it that part. Okay.
And there's no other longer parts in it, huh?
Nope. Other than
what
this
about
part.
the other
Maybe
end?
this part here. Let's see. What's this? Does that go on there?
Oh, yeah, maybe.
Let's try. Oh, that part goes there. Okay. So that goes to that, and maybe the cord goes into this part here. So maybe it's just two different handles. Like this handle can go to maybe a different part. Yeah.
Okay.
And let's see if this one here. Let's choose that one. See if it clicks on in there. Still no. Oh, no. Okay, there we go. Let's do that way. Yeah. No, I don't want to click on that one. Let's try the other one.
Does it fit on here?
It might fit on that end. Let's see. Okay, there we go. That one fits on that.
Alrighty.
And let's see, and it has an on-off switch. Ah, look at that! Nice.
A buffer.
Yeah.
Oh, man.
Cool.
I thought this was the dang on bulb that they was sending.
Okay.
But this work too.
So that one goes to that.
And it's working.
Yeah.
So what's that at the other end?
This is, I guess, where you charge it. Because it has that hole there.
Okay.
For that. Yeah. So just stick whenever you want to charge it, you just stick the thing in there.
Nice.
Plug it up. Okay, so this must be just this for this part. And this handle here must be for
probably
maybe
on
this.
One okay.
Is there another piece? No.
Yeah.
Huh. But it looks like because it has the snap part. Let's see. I'm going to try. Let's see. Take that apart. And see if it snaps on the bottom here.
Ah,
there
it's
we
the
go.
handle changer.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Let's see.
Cool.
Wondering if this... Did we try this side? Maybe make it longer. Go down. Yep, there we go.
Okay.
It makes it longer.
Nice.
There we go. Cool. So if you want to reach on top of the car or whatever. Okay, good deal.
Okay.
There we go. So we figured it out.
All right. So what do we have is a spin scrubber.
Yep.
All right. So I guess we're going to have to try this out.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Well, I guess
All
that's
right.
it, y'all guys.
It's pretty cool, though. It's neat.
Yay.
And then it's chargeable, so you can plug it up for however long you need to plug it up for it to charge. And then you don't have to worry about a cord when you're washing your car.
Okay, cool.
Wonder if you can use it on other things like your tub or like
Oh,
say if you want
yeah.
to clean your
That's might be what
walls
it's
or something
for.
like.
Either way it goes, it's going to get in the water.
Oh
so
yeah, yeah.
This is
So you can
perfect for
use
your
it-
bathroom.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah.
Cool.
Like this could probably be the one to get in the corners and, you know, tight little spaces like that.
Nice.
Yeah, that's cool.
Okay.
Okay.
You're just getting something, don't even know what it is.
That's good.
All right.
All
Well, I guess
righty.
that's it, y'all.
All right. And this is the Hurricane Spin Scrubber.
Okay.
All right.
All right. Thanks, guys, for watching.
All right, guys. Thank you. Like, hit the thumbs up and subscribe. And let us know what you think of this product. And if you have it, let us know what you guys do with yours and how it works for you guys and if you like it or not.
Right, because it's going to my bathroom.
Yeah, that's what I would use it for.
Okay.